I don't need to worry when I see the worlds that you have made. When I see creation and all of this beauty on display, I know that you love me, yeah, yeah. And how you dress the flowers and even the birds the Father feeds. So I don't need to worry, because I know how much you care for me. I know that you love me, yeah. Never leave me and never forsake me. I will never be alone. Keep showing mercy and never withholding a love like this I've never known. I know that you love me. To carry all the weight of yesterday. Don't worry about tomorrow, it's covered by your faithfulness to me.